car, there's gonna be an ice cream truck.
There's an ice cream truck?
Yes, there's an ice cream truck.
But do you know what time it is now?
3:06.
It's fishing time.
It's fishing time, bro! High five that tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here. Oh my God. Well, first fish of the day for me. Just a giant.
I fell in.
Oh.
That is so annoying.
Dude, that's a huge fish right there.
That might be a PB.
PB probably, actually, yeah.
Don't knock my sock.
So, there we go. Released.
Oh my God.
I'm using live bait. I saw my minnow fly off somewhere over here. If I don't find it, no biggie. But, nice to conserve bait when you have it. Just like that, through the back. And then we see a ton of bass back here. We saw, Mike can attest too, we saw like a 10-pound lunker in here. Maybe not 10 pounds, but he was huge. Oh, no! Yeah, it was that second biggest one. Which probably, he might be a little bit bigger than O'Leary average, but Mike, land it for me. Mike's down. His lure got snagged, and I caught a bass. You know what? I'm going for it.
I got it.
Flip him in. There he is. Second bass of the day. Not terribly big, but you ready?
I'm ready.
Nope, just kidding. Alright guys, third fish of the day. Caught this one on a worm. Still pretty small, but
Thing's a hog.
yeah. Where are those big ones we saw? There it is. Not too big, but it's a fish. Here's the rig I'm using. Just a long worm hook with a, not even sure what brand this is. Worm, but it worked. Yo! Square bill. Brand new, dude. What brand is RC? Oh, you gotta be...
Snag. I'm a snag.
Yeah!
I'm a snag. I'm a snag. I'm
He's
a
not even
slithery
hooked.
little sneaky snag. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snag. Slithering in your garden.
Dude,
catching me a mouse.
I caught a snake,
Snag.
and he's mad. He's not
Snag.
very happy.
Look into my eyes, jungle boy.
Oh, that's a big snake.
Look into my
And he's not even hooked, he's just hanging on.
I'm a slithery hypnotist snag. I'm hypnotized.
Well, what am I supposed to do now?
Boy, so.
He's not even hooked!
I don't know. Turn on that
Oh,
panther.
there he goes.
Join
Yay!
the snag. Cause I'm a snag.
I see him
I'm
now.
a slither. Look at my tongue.
He came out from under a rock.
Cause I'm a snag.
Guys, there's some hogs in this hole right here. Like right down in here. The trick is just getting them to eat. We've had a few bites, but we've just missed them because we're getting too excited. We always just get our hopes way too crazy. Oh, no. Oh, here we go. Oh, he spit it. the smallie tank on the light rod.
Smalley.
Let's go.
Leave us alone.
I know, dude.
Traffic like this.
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
Oh, wait. Oh, he swam away. I was about to have one. Yeah, when you're fishing pressured areas like this, you guys just go live bait
Not a
them.
very big one.
Hey, still a good fight on the light rod.
Yeah.
Guys, my first fish of the day, not a bad smallmouth. Wilson's taking his first shower in 20 years. But that's not a bad,
No, I'm just trying to look up
not a bad fish. On a dead minnow, just floating it down. Let's see if I can get this hook out. Got that. Let's get him in the water again. You find it? It's in there?
I didn't look at it.
Should be. Alright, Wilson is going to get minnows. Meanwhile, I have this rigged up on a little octopus hook, and we're just going to see if these smallies in this hole are going to want to chomp down on
How much did he say it was?
a little crayfish. Don't crash my car. Alright, well, hopefully Wilson won't crash my car. And hopefully I don't drop my phone in the creek. Okay. Step one is a success so far. Don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone. Okay, didn't drop the phone yet. I just need to get over there. Give this guy a quick dip, quick little refreshments. Okay. Don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone. Okay, we didn't drop the phone. Still not dropping the phone. Still working on not dropping this thing. We're still wiggling our way. There's a bunch of smallmouth in this creek right here. And successfully did not drop the phone. Okay, good start. Oh, our craw's either A, in shock, or B, dead. Hopefully it's in shock, not dead. We're just gonna throw them in there. I want the big old bass do their thing on them. Oh, we got a perch. Oh, he's nosing him. Ho ho ho. They like them. They like the craw. Oh, oh. That leaf, I think, was throwing him off. Okay, let's put him up in here. Drag him in. Oh my Atlantis. Okay, that's a big smallmouth. Oh my gosh. There are some biggins in this spot. Oh, nothing. I just took it right out of his mouth. Okay, there's a biggin. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a big smallmouth in here. They do like him. I think I just need to find a smaller one to put on here. Oh, come on. Oh, he's crawling by himself. Come on. Yes. Eat him. Put him in his room. Oh, come on. Just take him. Just eat him. Just put him fully. Just engulf this thing, please. I have a better chance of finding a golden nugget than a crayfish right now. I managed to get this tiny little guy. He might even be too small, but he'll do for now. I just got to get at least a smallmouth hooked up. I think if I take my split shot off, we'll have a better shot at him. They're still here at least. Okay, split shot is off. Wilson's back. Let's just flip this at this guy. He sees it. Hey, there we go. Little Little smallie on the crawfish. Still got too much fight in them. That's not bad though. Oh, that's like a connoisseur fish that we used to catch. But we decided to come down to this creek. It's a lot closer to our house, and I guess the fishing at this rate, it's even better. All right. Smallie on the crawfish, baby. I just took my split shot off and slowly let this one sink, and then this guy just came out and destroyed him. Ow! Okay. Get that hook out.
Mike's catching crayfish.
Last crayfish for me for the day. We'll further this spot. Oh gosh, this one's feisty. Oh, he's not even hooked. Oh yeah, he is.
Dummy.
And that's what you call creek smallmouth fishing. Oh gosh, tangles.
Snag. I'm a snag.